In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And the first off, open up Photos app. And then, if you want to delete the several photos at once, we need to tap right here at Select. And then we can slide across our photos to select multiple photos at once in that simple way. After that, we can hit address icon to remove all the photos we have selected. However, if you have thousands of photos, this method is not very convenient because it may take a lot of time to select all the photos. So, let me show you how you can easily select all photos in 3 seconds. All you have to do, guys, is just tap and select. Then, select some photos by sliding your finger across them. Just like that, and then just don't lift off that finger. Then just stop at the very top left corner, just like that, and what that will do, that will scroll your photo library to the very top. And then in that simple way, we can select thousands of photos. In a couple of seconds after that, we can tap add that trash icon, and then we'll be able to delete all the photos at once by hitting at delete. After that, all your photos will be moved to a recently deleted album, so you can then get into albums. Then scroll down to the very bottom and then get into recently deleted. And if you want, you can immediately remove all these photos from here. In the same way, just stop and select. Then select and tap at the top left to choose all the photos. After that, you can hit add delete to remove all the photos from recently deleted album. That's how you can easily delete all photos on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.